know, right? February 14th. February 14th. February 14th, you can order on Kickstarter, or you can donate on Kickstarter. It's gonna come with 2 pieces, a left and right. I'm just showing you a little demonstration of what you can do with a left and a right. You have a choice to order just 1 piece, but I'm gonna tell you what's gonna come. And begin.
Today discussing, being molested, having to fight men off me. That was the first level of fight. Being in foster care, being treated less than, feeling abandoned.
I usually put a little gel behind my hair, y'all, on my real hair, so it won't stick up. You know how you slick your hair. Thank you. I'm just getting ready to launch. So show them what these 2 pieces could contain. You see?
I am not my current circumstance. And when that happens, I believe that you open yourself up to a revelation. And after that revelation
Edges is a spot filler, y'all. You know what I'm saying?
It may not happen immediately. It may take a week. It may take a month. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't take that long. But after that peace, you will begin to attract, because you're now operating in the spirit of freeness and a spirit of wholeness, and you begin to attract things that are really unexplainable. And a lot of us, we want to do everything ourselves, and I know that there's different religious backgrounds that hear this, but for me, I trust God. I trust Him with everything.
I see you, Dawson. I told y'all, see, don't well, this one ain't as long. If it ain't long, you can just brush it into the hair.
And you begin to attract so much opportunity, so much people, and now it's about you really understanding and recognizing what your ultimate goal in life is. I believe that my ultimate goal in life is to, inspire others to action. Section 8 and all that stuff, been in the club, that they credit card scammed you. David, I did it. But if I can overcome, so can you. And so I just want to encourage you guys to allow yourself to experience, a metamorphosis, and be patient enough with yourself through the process, not to beat yourself up, not to look to the left and to look to the right, not to
See how I feel in that receiving hairline? Bam. Yeah, at the end of the day, baby.
That you have heard the saying that comparison is the thief of joy. Comparison is the thief of joy. Do not compare yourself to nobody else. Embrace who you are. Embrace your process. Appreciate the moment, but appreciate what you want. All right, so let's let's just talk about the characteristics of a champion. We just talked about the shift, that really has to happen in order for you to move your life from one level to the next, or one place to the next. And so for me, the character of a champion is once a person has made up their mind that you're going to accomplish something, nothing should be able to stop you. You have to, number one, know what is your objective. What is your goal? What is it that you want to accomplish? And we often hear about goal setting and knowing what you want and writing it down. And we think it is cliche because we read about it in so many books, but it's the truth. And for me, I don't necessarily always write it on paper, because I write my goal on my heart, and I turn my goal into affirmations that I may not believe them in the beginning, even when I'm speaking them, but I do speak them out of my mouth, and I believe it in my heart, and it becomes a permanent part of my thought process that I'm going to get a certain goal accomplished. And then I begin to think about who's going to benefit from this goal, who's going to benefit from me accomplishing my goal. If I accomplish it, who's going to benefit? If I don't accomplish it, who's going to hurt? And oftentimes, when we set a goal, we don't realize that when it's accomplished, your children are going to benefit, your parents are going to benefit, your spouse is going to benefit, and that's, how I think. I think that, I have...
We went from a 0 to 100 real quick. Now, why my 100 people ain't come on when Nikki? Why my 100 people ain't come on before I applied the edges? Yes. Well, see there? Don't worry about it. Y'all will see the next one. I'm just doing a little touch up because Yes, now I got to clean my forehead.
And so I'm one of those people that have no problem stepping out on faith. You know, faith is huge for me. I see things that are not seen. You know, with the natural, I see the supernatural, and I believe that God become things. And as I begin to think about things, I believe that I am created, you know, in the natural, that the manifestation is on its way because I not only believe, I not only, you know, trust in God.
You coming to see me? Well, when you coming to see me?
You know, people go, oh, you know, God, no, you gotta have
Thank you.
the desire to succeed.
Hey, Sam.
Who I will continue.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. I may get longer. I'm gonna get long anyway because I take real good care. If you take good care, yeah. I got about 2 people that wear these, and I got one of them that hers been on a month. You just take care of them like they're your real edges. I mean, it's not track hair. You're gonna have to get up in the morning and put a little bit more gel. Put a little bit more gel on there, and keep it moving. Yeah, see this ponytail. Hey, Sam, you like my ponytail? It's cute, girl. Take some hair, wrap it around. Great, look at my edges. I got a right and a left piece on.
To remember who is going to be blessed by your accomplishment, and to remember that the world is always watching. For me, you know,
Thank you for sharing.
partners is the world.
I'm at home.
Social media, that's the best source.
I'm gonna do your hair. You already know, Sam. Hey, well, it's a light drawstring. I'm gonna have to go by 4x450. I don't think y'all ready for this. I don't think y'all ready for, cause my blue is delicious. I do. Okay. Y'all, I went from 4 views to what you call it, but them edges cute, dog. Finna go out here in the rain with an umbrella. I'm telling y'all, yeah, it's raining, but I am not finna be playing. I wear shower caps.
You know, I'm just saying that
Ooh.
the next level of life is based
I wear shower caps out there in this weather. Do not, y'all. I don't think I like the way they look. How they look, y'all? I ain't never wore a center part.
3 different type of people. Some people are gonna fight for you. Some people are gonna.
I know, right? I got bored and wanted to go on live with y'all, so I say the live so you can see the beginning to the end. Look at them. I got 2 ponytails. This too much damn hair. Too much damn hair.
Just number one.
Too much damn hair. But it's alright though. Ooh, that's cute. I may have to wear it like that today. Ooh, look like I'm mixed, y'all, don't it? I gotta look. Yeah. Let me see what my people are saying so I can answer the question. I put, you put spritz and gel and you have to keep everything down, but you apply it with water. Apply it with water, and I just put gel because it's on my real hair. My real hair ain't handling no water, so you're going to have to put gel on your real hair. Put gel on your real hair. You go put some water on that real hair and add, it ain't gonna go. It ain't gonna be able to blend in.
You know, who was the greatest networker ever lived? Jesus Christ. He walked the earth. When I got people in parables of 2. He told parables. He walked the earth and got people.
Yes, you already know it. KK, you missed the beginning of these instant edges with the part. Just make sure you order you 2 pair. They're gonna come in a pair, left and right. You put your part over here, you put your part over here, you put your part over there. When they come with the 2 pieces, it's gonna be a left and a right. 3 pieces cover a whole head without a part, guys. So let's just say I ain't had no hair right here, and I put the 2 pieces right here. Well, you had to order a 3rd piece to go right there. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be showing y'all on my YouTube channel. I will not be making a new one. It will be the same one on different styles to make with instant edges. So, it's raining outside. I know my hair's not going to hold no curls and a quick weave or bundles. But I know, baby, for sure,